In this video, we are going to be analysing AVCT. So to get straight into it, firstly, we can see really our support and resistance levels are very far off. If we're looking at the longer term time frame, we can see our closest resistance is 43 cents. And really our closest support we don't have when using a statistical level. So really it would be the 52-week low of around 13 cents. So if we want to get closer levels, what we can do is go into a shorter time frame. And in this case, we'll use a 20-day chart. And then we can see now we start having some closer support and resistance levels. However, do note these levels will hold up most likely for this week, so until Friday. But going past there, then really we would have to make a new video on the shorter term time frame, or you can just be paying attention to the longer term time frame, so the 42 cents if you're looking for an upside target. But if you're looking for closer upside targets, what are we paying attention to? So really, as of right now, 25 cents would be that key level, statistical mean on the 20-day chart. Breaking through there would take us to $33, our next level at 40, and then that 42, 43 cents would be a key level because that would be our first deviation on the 6-month chart. But if we do break that, then we would have further off resistances at $48 and 56 cents. Now, if we start selling off to the downside, what are going to be key support levels? As of right now, our closest support level is $17. And then really, if we break that, then again, we will be looking back to that 52-week low at around 13 cents. And then further levels would take us to 9 cents and basically 1.5 cents. So really, this is one of those stocks. I mean, if you're looking to buy and invest in it, really understand the fundamentals. I haven't personally looked into the stock's fundamentals because these aren't the stocks I trade. So really, we're only paying attention to the technical side of these analysis. But to the downside, yeah, if you're looking to buy it, then these are the levels we'll be paying attention to. And really, if you're looking to maybe start shorting this stock, or you are holding the stock long and you want profit targets, then really the 25, the 32 will kind of be these key levels. And if you're looking more for the short bias levels, then really the 40 cents and above would be the short-term, short bias levels that we would be paying attention to. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out this analysis video here.